Here we have the Honeywell VM1A Thor, which we will be unboxing today. Here we have the docking station, the cradle, which will be mounted on the back of the tablet. Power supply, and here's the cradle. Not very heavy. And here are the pins which it connects to. Okay, we'll connect the power supply and we'll power this thing up. See what it looks like when it boots. Here they have a nice little cover to protect the pins. So here you got your tablet. And, connects just like this. Locks in place. And let's boot it up. There is a power switch on the back, which you got to make sure is switched on. And there we go. It's powered by Android. We'll give it time to boot up.
Thor VM1A for forklifts and electric industrial carts.